So from the rice bowl, this is really the technique I find easiest for beginners. Grab the fish, just gently lay it over the top, and fold the fish onto the rice a little bit. Hold it, hide the thumb under the fish, press towards the rice, turn, again, and that's ready. So traditionally, you would put the fish in your palm like this. The other hand, grab some rice. Doesn't matter if it's too much. What you do is you put it on there, hold it, and you'll have a chance to take a bit off to the right amount, and just thumb in. And it's important to press it, break up the rice, and create a hole in the middle of the rice bowl. What that does is loosen up the rice, so when you actually come to eat it, it doesn't stick to your mouth. Press it, and then rotate the fish, bring that in, the rest follows. I don't personally use this technique, mainly because my hands tend to be really warm and it warms up the fish really fast.